Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix Spotify can't log into my premium account. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click settings. Click apps. Click app management. Find Spotify. Click Spotify. Click storage use. Then click clear data. If you clear data, you need to log in your account again. After clearing data, your downloaded data or save files will be deleted. Click delete. Click back. Click force stop. Click force stop. Then open Google Play Store. Click search bar, then type Spotify. If you get any update, please update. Open Spotify app, then log in your account. If your problem is not resolved after following all the steps, then understand that the server is down now. Try to a few hours, it will be fine. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.